seen steps from that hotel into the sea?
Yeah. That.
And they've got a swimming pool.
Oh yeah. But it's actually get parked anywhere near it, isn't it?
Mm. We're on the ferry going to Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria, not Brazil.
The ferry to Puerto Rico cost £26 for the two of us.
That there's Torito.
Ahora yo lo mismo. From Tenerife. Yes. You can see the page from here. You turn around. Yeah. And that's the Delphi. Do you see a lot of... This is Taurit. That is Tenerife. On the left side is La Gomera, other side is La Palma, and south is Hierro Island. The other side, Grande Pirata. I know all the country has a problem with police, but we are the champion. In Spain, we have the Buena Madera. Now you can see better the tail and the group of the boat with the dolphins. Llama en el 3 a ver qué delfines vieron, ¿eh? The winter here, this side of the island, we can be in 19, 20 degrees.
How high is the
3,800 meters, or less.
like in this one?
Yes, from there you can jump. Yes, with the paragliding. Here is about 2,000 with the dolphin now. They are going now for anchor and snorkeling. Normally we do Mogan. Also you can go there. Because this is very special place for cetaceans, dolphins, whales, everything. Amelia, if you see over there, look like camel. Look like camel. You see, the camel is every day on the same place. Princesa. Grande Pirata.
They were going to build a hotel there, that's why it's been worked and flattened. And apparently they got stopped because they were building it illegally. So all that building work and infrastructure that they'd put in with the palm trees, the road, and then that flat bit where all that mound of rubble is, were put in, and then they just stopped it. Local councillors told them to stop.
This happened before 2016. In 2016, the same promoter company, they find the son of the Tauro and
the Playa Tuna, and apparently it's the beach of the priest.
Playa del Diablo. Playa del Diablo no está en otro lado.
If you can see on this, there's a big concrete block that goes up and then a bridge. And that's the lift down from the hotel to the beach.
And the demon is Guayota. The Aboriginal people say them because free fire. And Guayota is the demon. Playa de Pura. Volcanic sun. Volcanic sun on the summer is very hot, barbecue. Like the other one, they are cancer projects. No pressure. Yeah, they want to make harbor, hotel, everything similar amphi. Perfect. Don't have it. Don't get fire for instance. They was here in 1595. And the moment of the conquer, the people put the name like the beach of the Egypt. But in Spain, Playa del Mulet. En Las Palomas, conquered Paira from Mallorca. Rodrigo Mas de Palomar. Mas Paloma. I have no time for explaining you more.
Amores Beach. It's actually owned by David Silva, or Sylvia. Used to be a Manchester City football player, played for Spain,
When the ball is stopped on the
and he
train
owns that
over
beach.
there,
It's a private beach, but anybody can go on
you will be stopped at home. You can see a lot of people.
with all his millions that he made. He's put back into the
This is
area
Salvador.
that he was born.
Important to know, the sun, Puerto Rico, Amadores, Playa de Mogan, is from Melonera. Amphi 1, Amphi B, from the Greek text. Amphi is above, up. Dime rápido. Dime. Américo Vespucio. Américo Vespucio. No, yes, before that, the people was there over there because the bad weather killed them. What happened? They say, good idea. Did you see the cement block? Cement? In 2010, the weather here was very bad. The wave was jumping in the harbor. After that, they put new cement, you see? And the extra high here for the harbor. Because in 2010, I remember I was there and the wave was jumping in the harbor. In 2010. Then cement here.
Puerto Rico Beach over there,
Puerto Rico, familia.
and we're going into the harbour over there.
Yes. You know, the yellow submarine in Mogan, when I explain people information, you know,
Yep. These boats here are going to take the trip out to the Dolphins just outside Morgan. There's quite a lot of activity there with the Dolphins at the moment.
Short-finned dolphins at the moment, but you can get bottlenose dolphins and short-finned pilot whales are common year-round residents. Other species like common dolphins, spotted dolphins, striped dolphins, Risso's dolphins, sperm whales, and bride's whales may also be seen, depending on the season.
When we came last week there were real haze on the sea and in the sky. You couldn't see blue skies. Temperatures at 40 degrees, whereas it's come down with the clearing of the haze. The temperatures have come down between 28 and 32 degrees.
Most of the beaches you see with sand are man-made, with the sand coming from North Africa and the Bahamas. Some sand was brought over by ship and put on this beach without permission of the authorities. There seems to be a lot of this going on.
miles, eh?
Preguntaba a mi tío, yo creo que lo tiene todo.